What are you doing today, Radko?
Nothing. Why?
No reason.
Archie and Friends. Archie and Friends. Archie and Friends.
Welcome to Archie and Friends. I'm a host, Archie. Wow, baby. Wow. Welcome, my friend. Welcome.
Hello.
She's my brother.
Radko is in fact Archie's brother.
Yes. I can't stop.
Archie, what am I doing here anyway?
Don't worry about it.
Don't worry about what?
Today we are playing.
Radko bowling! Wait.
Here's what you need. Large homemade bowling pins. 2 mailers are great. A skateboard, 1 helmet, and 1 Radko.
Why do we need 1 Radko?
Here's how you play. Split into teams of 2. Each round, both players on each team take a turn bowling Radko.
What?
Not again. You get 1 point per pin you knock down. The team with the highest score wins. Oh, and make sure Radko wears a helmet.
It's time to play.
What?
Bowling.
Yeah.
Pablo and me go first.
No.
50 points. TJ, color, you up.
Ready?
Point. Good job, guys. Round 2.
I'm a ball.
We got a ball.
Go to ball.
You got ball.
12 points. Good job, guys. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 16 points. Round 3. New ball.
Go. And go.
You got a ball.
5 points. TJ, color, you up. Eight points. Point.
Yay!
Now. Come on.
Go!
50 points. Fire, wow. Yeah.
Go.
14 points.
So we had to get 6 pins, okay?
Yeah.
We got this. 2, now. Now. Oh, what is a final score, please?
The final score was 68 to 59. Team Carter and DJ win.
Yeah!
Time to play my gutterball. I can move. Okay. Now it's time question our friend.
Hi, Radko. My name is Sam, and this is my sister Lucy. We're from Oklahoma City. I love playing with my brother. What's it like being Archie's brother?
He's silly. He's funny.
Funny.
He's cool.
Thank you, Radko. High five.
Archie!